as a person is dying, their body is shutting down, nothing works right, and there's fluid in the lungs, and you're going to hear that fluid literally rattling around in this area of their body. Number one, they're not swallowing any spit that they might have. And so the fluid from our mouth is pooling right there in the back of the throat. And the fluid that's in the lungs, as the air is coming through, you hear it. And it can make a really disconcerting sound. And the first thing people say to me is, well, let's get a suction machine. Let's suction out that fluid so that they won't be in distress. And the thing is, the fluid is so far down that you're not really going to be able to get the fluid out, and it's going to be very disquieting, discomforting to try and get it out. And so you're causing more discomfort than you are comfort or relief. So suction is out of the question. Positioning often helps. Most of the time we've got a person lying on their back, and their mouth is open and their eyes are partially open, and they're breathing through this fluid in the back of their throat, in the back of their. So you turn them over on their side. And sometimes, not all the time, but sometimes that moves the fluid so that they're not breathing through it. And the rattling sound isn't as intense. However, bottom line is, this is how people die. And that sound, that fluid accumulation is very much a part of how people die. And so nothing bad or pathological is happening. It's sad, it's scary, but nothing unusual is happening. This is how people die. That fluid buildup is part of how we die.